And now let's think and explore together in a projectile motion to have a maximum distance traveled, which is the range. I need the maximum range of an object. What is the angle this object should be fired at? 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 0 degree. What do you think? How would I know? Well, we have two methods. The first one is by experiment, and the second one is by calculation. So I'll start with the first one by experiment. I did the experiment, okay, many times. The first one on 15 degree, the second one 30 degree, the third one 45, 60, 75, and 90 degree. And as you can see, the one that gives me the maximum distance, which is 10 meter, is the one done on 45 degree, as you can see here. Now let's move on to the second method, which is by calculation. As we all know, we have the maximum range. Then I wrote the equation of the range, which is V0 square sine 2 theta over G. Now, as a variables, we have only theta. We have V0 constant and G constant. So when we have a maximum range, the sine of 2 theta will be maximum. And if you have a sine of an angle is a maximum, it's 1, then this angle will be 90 degree. So the sine of 90 degree is the maximum, which is 1. Well, 2 theta equal 90 degree and theta equal 45. Now, we have an application. You should do it by yourselves. A volleyball is shot from one end A, 2 meters above ground, as you can see here, on a field as shown in the given document. The ball just passes over the net, This projectile passes, or this trajectory passes through this point, okay? And lands on the other end B of the field. If the net is 2.44 meter high, as you can see here, they said that the net is placed on the middle of the field, as you can see here. It's on the middle of the field. Then this is the maximum height, okay? 2.44 meter. And I also have the range. Okay, I have the maximum distance, which is the range, because this ball hits the ground on this point B. Now, I should determine the initial speed and the angle of shooting of the ball at the launching point A. So I have to calculate V0 and theta. Now, I have the maximum height and I have the range. I'll write their equations, okay? Now I should calculate theta and V0 from them. I have a system here, okay? Two equations, one system to calculate two variables. So this is all about math, okay? It's very important. I'll divide equation 1 and by equation 2. Y max is 2.44 and X max is 18. Then 2.44 over 18 is 0.135. Great. And this equation 1 over 0.135, and now I have one variable, which is tangent theta. Theta equals 0.542. Theta equal 28.5 degrees. Now I have theta. It's easy to calculate V0. I can use equation 1 and I can use equation 2 because I have theta now. I have one variable, which is V0. Then X max is V0 square sine 2 theta over G. V0 square equal X max times G over sine 2 theta, which is equal to 214.7. Then V0 is radical of 214.7, which is 14.6 meter per second. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this lesson.